Nikhil, big moment for India. Mirabai Chanu opening the account today. Put the win in perspective for us.
Well, it's incredible, Rika. You'd have to say that. I mean, just imagine this is the 15th individual medal that India has won. If my calculation is correct, I'm just going back, on top of my head. That in itself tells you what an incredible performance this is. Also, got to remember this is the second, medal that we won in weightlifting after Karnam Malleshwari achieved that feat in 2000, and after that, I mean, things were spoken about Mirabai Chanu, and especially after the heartbreak that she had at the Rio Games, she really upped her ante and then was peaking, and then she had this major back injury, and then there were doubts over whether she'd be able to replicate that form. I guess somewhere the Olympic getting shifted for another year kind of helped her recover from that injury. So that happened to be, while Corona may have been a bane for the entire society in general, but it did come as a boost for her, helping her really recover from that injury and then give her best performance. I mean, Rika, you knew that she was a sure shot medal winner after she made that snatch and was ranked second there, because we knew after that came clean and jerk, which is her preferred format in this two-half weightlifting that you have. One is snatch and the other being clean and jerk. So you knew the medal was assured. Whether it could be a gold or whether it was silver, that is something that we had to wait for. And then after her replicating the kind of form that she did a few months ago, where she set the world record in clean and jerk, we knew that the medal was to be there. I think the Chinese competitor was way too strong. The other thing that we must, because we're putting into perspective, we must realize that the other big competitor that was in this category was a North Korean, and North Korea have decided not to participate in this Olympic. So that kind of made the field slightly easier, but even then, she would have still have been in medal contention with a bronze, but that's silver. So that's clearly the silver lining. Also, Rika puts into perspective what might happen in the Olympics. Now, I was at Rio, as you remember, and the first few days in Rio were some big medal contenders for India that were out, some from shooting as well, and they failed to win that medal. I remember Jeetu Rai being one of those, high hopes that India had. And once that happened, it just kind of percolated into the entire contingent. And from there on, as you know, it wasn't one of our great Olympics. It was only towards the end when PV Sindhu and Sakshi Malik got you those two medals. But this being a great start on day one of the Olympic Games, if you get a medal, you got one, it could very well be two, with Saurabh Chaudhary up next. I think that is going to help all other athletes going forward in the next 14-15 days.
Nikhil, you mentioned that you were in Rio as a part of the media contingent, and you would have seen Mirabai there. It was a heartbreak for her in Rio. What was the difference that you saw in Mira from the one who lifted in Rio to the one who was there at the Tokyo Games?
There were some sort of talks that she even reached Rio with some sort of a niggle at that time. That was one. Of course, also got to remember that was her first Olympics, and it's never easy, no matter how big a player you are, to perform that well in the first Olympic Games. And then she had that heartbreak and not really registering any sort of weight in one of the formats. So I think from there on, she changed a lot of things, as you saw, grew stronger, and then the results were there for everyone to see. So it's not an overnight success, Rika. The results started coming from 2017 onwards, when she started performing really well, even at the World Championship, if I remember correctly, and then later at all other performances. So you knew that she was building up. Probably it's also in an athlete, Rika, you've got to take a look at when the peak really comes for an athlete. And so probably she was really raw at the time that she went to Rio, and really not at the peak of her game, not at the top of her game. This, I think, suited her really well, worked very well in advance. And I think that heartbreak in Rio must have played a role. Sometimes you really need to have that fall to really get up and then perform to your best. So all of that coming together, and as I said, one crucial factor of the Olympic Games being postponed by another year, all of this coming together for Mirabai Chanu then to win a medal. She has another Chanu as one of her idols from Manipur, and said that she wanted to emulate her, but she's done one better by winning an Olympic medal, which her idol couldn't. But then I could only think of Karnam Malleshwari, who was the lone weightlifter to have ever won a medal in weightlifting. Yes. She must be very relieved at the moment, considering now that she has some company in Mirabai Chanu.
Right, and that's an incredible moment. I'll have to pause you for a little bit to read out this tweet coming in from the Prime Minister. He has said, could not have asked for a happier start to Tokyo 2020 Games. India is elated by Mirabai Chanu's stupendous performance. Congratulations to her for winning the silver medal in weightlifting. Her success motivates every Indian. And this is the tweet coming in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi.